Hi guys, I'm Bangalore Calls are out. So please join the description box. We have created the link where you can join our Telegram group. All of us are coming together to prepare for them. So tomorrow I'm launching the new batch for the GDPI program, and Sunday will be the Finasca workshop. Two workshops lined up, and a references the workshop which I'm going to take separately. So please join the WhatsApp group or Telegram group in the description box. And also there's a form, Google form. If you fill the form, my team will directly call you up and add you to the program, which is the paid program for free of cost. If you got the call from IIM ABC. Hi guys, I'm Bangalore calls are out, so I'm just looking at the PDF here. Before I go into the detail, get ready with the references. This is going to be the most difficult task, getting the references from the colleges. References can only be given by your college ka teacher, school ka teacher, or your work experience where you are working. A boss can do that. These are the only three people who are valid to give a reference. Your uncle, your chacha, dada cannot give you a reference for sure. फाइन आपके अंकल बहुत अमीर है, बहुत रिच है, बहुत बड़ी जगह पे, उनका भी रेफरेंस काम नहीं आएगा. So two references to arrange in the next 2 weeks because I am Bangalore give very short notice for that. SOP के बारे में I'm not able to find that, so please comment if you are aware of that because I couldn't find the SOP. SOP also was earlier. I am Bangalore was the only college which used to have a SOP. This time I think I am Bangalore is not giving SOP. Everyone else is giving SOP. Also, बहुत calls आई है यार. We have got wonderful calls from students. I met a student right now at the airport also. She got 99 percentile and got the IIM calls as well. So we go airport पे I'm meeting student with IIM calls. So congratulations everyone. Now it obviously feels good to get the call. Trust me, guys, it feels even better to convert the call. I don't need to show you the placement report of IIM Bangalore to prove the point because this college is the number one college. So those who got the call, superb, congratulations. Those who have not got the call, no problem. We have other calls to convert coming on the way. ठीक है, कुछ तो आ गया, अच्छा कुछ तो अच्छा कर ही लेंगे अपनी लाइफ के साथ. Don't worry at all. So those who are going for the exam next year, see this is just a starter point. These are eligibility criteria on which you get the call. On which you get the call. To convert the call, obviously, you need to score more. So the estimate cutoff for the next year students is 99.5 for the main IIMs. 99.5 is the target for the main IIMs for the General Engineer male. For non-engineers, 99 percentile would be the cutoff. For again, you're depending on 10, 12 k marks, everything is included. OBC 96 to 97 percentile. For SC, ST 90 to 85 percentile also you can expect the call from IIM Bangalore. Yes, we have students who got the call at 85 percentile. So all the best. In the description box, I give the link for the WhatsApp group. Please join the group and participate. You might fade the noisy because I'm right now in the taxi. All the best.